Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Medical Revenue MD Inc. They're looking for a credentialing specialist. It pays up to $25 per hour. Formed in 2015, Medical Revenue MD is a practice management consulting, medical billing, and credentialing company that strives to provide top-notch services to medical professionals and their staff. We are a team of talented and respected professionals with a management team that has expertise in leading the operations and revenue cycle of medical practices in multiple specialties. Together, we have built a system that simplifies and streamlines business operations and allows our doctors to continue to deliver outstanding patient care. While maximizing profitability, Medical Revenue MD continues to expand our footprint throughout the United States, and we are looking to add quality, dependable, and hardworking individuals to our growing team. Our leaders believe that developing strong core values is the key to our success and continued growth. These values are critical to the culture that we continue to build upon. Provide outstanding customer service to our clients and their patients, establish long-term relationships with our clients and their staff, dedication and commitment to servicing every account to the fullest revenue potential, trust, integrity, and transparency. Overview of position: primarily responsible for day-to-day tasks in credentialing department to include payer enrollment, revalidations, and other miscellaneous tasks as required by payers. What will be my duties and responsibilities in this job? Complete the processes to credential physicians to meet payer criteria. Enroll clients with participating insurances nationwide. Input information to credentialing software in order to have most current data. Maintain filing of all necessary credentialing documentation. Follow up with clients and insurances in accordance with established guidelines for all credentialing assignments. Communicate client issues with management at an early stage. Be able to clearly and effectively communicate with physicians, physician staff, operations managers, and insurance companies handling basic questions dealing with the day-to-day operation of credentialing and enrollments. A prompt response time to voicemail, email, and other requests, whether it is from supervisors, co-workers, or clients. What are the requirements needed for this position? High school diploma or JET equivalent. Medical billing or credentialing experience required. Have professional verbal and written communication skills. Work well under difficult circumstances and tight timelines. Know how to prioritize throughout the day as workflow changes. Perform all other tasks as requested by senior management. What other skills, experience would be helpful to have? Time management. The ability to organize and manage multiple priorities. Strong team player. Excellent interpersonal and communication skills. High performance. Commitment to company values. Computer proficiency. Insurance billing experience. What are the working conditions and physical requirements of this job? Remote and subcontracted. This position is currently paid on a per application basis with the opportunity to become a full-time employee in the future. Job type: contract. Pay up to $25 per hour. Schedule: Monday to Friday. Experience: credentialing, 1 year preferred. Medical billing, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.